So here are Module 15, Part 3 notes. This is page 2. Again, this example, like in the last section, is laid out for you. The two examples on the final page will not be, but you can always refer to this if you like the ordering. So we have example 1. A bus company advertises a mean time of 150 minutes for a trip between Denver and Glenwood Springs. A local consumer group has reason to believe the mean was more than 150 minutes. So our population mean is 150. That's what they're telling us. More than, so we got a greater than. We have a sample of 40 trips. I am just going to pull out what I can here. Sample standard deviation of 12.5, and I've got an alpha of 0.05. So is the mean length of the trip between Denver and Glenwood Springs higher than the stated mean travel time of 150 minutes at the alpha equals 5% level of significance? So our hypothesis, remember our null hypothesis is always status quo. So that's that our mean is 150. Our alternative hypothesis is that our mean is actually more than 150. Right, that's this part right here. Our decision rule, again, I am going to draw that distribution. More than means I am looking for stuff over here. So this is my rejection region. So I'm going to reject if my T data is greater than my T critical value. So let's figure out what this critical value is. So that is going to be T dot inverse of the 0.95 to the left, and now I need degrees of freedom. So if my sample is 40, my degrees of freedom is 40 minus 1. I get a 39, and I get a critical value of 1.68. So I'm going to reject if T data is greater than 1.68. And let's go ahead, and I don't think I did this a lot on the last one. There is my Excel command. So compute p-value, no, we're not. We're going to compute the test statistic. Our T data here is my X bar minus mu over my sample standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. I get 1.52. That's a 1.68. Yeah, my 1.52 is roughly here. So I got 1.52. My T data is less than 1.68. We are not going to reject our null hypothesis. So we are going to state our conclusion the same way we did for proportions. Here we do not reject H naught. Because there is not enough evidence at the alpha equals 0.05 level of significance. To support that, the average travel time from Denver to Glenwood Springs, Denver to Glenwood Springs,